Okay, so once you got your handguards installed, just 2 bolts, take this back cover off. Looks to be 1, 2, 3, 4 little Torx screws, and they'll give you this Allen thing in the kit for these handguards. And so take that off, and it gives you 2 bolts here and right there. And then it'll take your old Arctic Cat cover thing off. Once that's off, you put your new one in, but make sure to not get all crazy with your zip ties for the rest of this thing. So what you want to do is feed the wire through this hole. Like, take your piece with the wire and make sure it's fed through here first and through this other hole, and then after you can just set it in these aligning holes just to like hold the wire, and then put your cover back on, and like do that to both sides, and then come down with your wires and zip tie them to your wiring harness piece, and then come down. What I'm doing is, you can put it wherever you want, wherever's safe, but like try and keep it away from the coolant tank and all this stuff, exhaust, it'll get hot. And so I just zip tied my, whatever this LED thing is, relay driver thing, zip tied it to the frame. You're not going to want to put it on your steering stem because that's going to move, obviously. And then come down, try and keep it away from the oil tank too, find a way to do it, and plug it in. Arctic Cat gives you this thing here for your heated visor and your whatever, and they give you 2 cords, so plug it in there and